procedure text, I know how to make it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Dewi Purnama. Here, we will learning about procedure text. What is procedure text? Procedure text is one of many text genres. Procedure text is a text that explains or help us how to make or use something. Its social function is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of steps. And then, what is the purpose of procedure text? The purpose of procedure text is to give guides on how to make or operate something through coherent acts or steps. In daily life, we certainly have made some things like these cups or meals. Sometimes we have no idea how to do that. That's why we need procedure text to complete it. How do we know if the text we are reading is a procedure text? Procedure text is like other text. It has its own characteristics that make us realize if it is procedure text. So here is the procedure text characteristics. Here is the characteristics of procedure text. First, use sequence at first. Example, first, second, and next, then finally while. And using simple present tense. And then use imperative sentence pattern. Example, chop the garlic, don't use high temperature. Use action verbs. Example, cut, create, fill, and turn on. And if I want to make procedure text, how the structure should be? Okay, besides characteristic, procedure text also have structure to make us easier at recognizing the text. Check next slide. Generic structure of procedure text. Aim or goal. It is the purpose of the text. This can be a short description of the text or a title. Materials contains ingredients and tools that are going to be used. Steps contains things to do to reach the aim. And so yeah, procedure text example. How to make an omelette. Ingredients: 2 eggs, salt, pepper sufficiently, minced cheese, minced smoked beef, 3 TBSP cooking oil, and tools: Teflon, spatula, bowl, and fork. And method: first, crack the eggs into the bowl. Second, add salt, pepper, minced cheese, and minced smoked beef into the same bowls. And next, mix them thoroughly. And fourth, then place the Teflon to the stove with low until middle temperature and cooking oil. After that, pour the mixed eggs into the Teflon, flatten the eggs, and check if the bottom side is already cooked. Mark with the eggs color is turning brown, then flip and wait until it's cooked well. It will take about 3 minutes. Finally, your omelette is done. Don't forget to turn off the stove and place the omelette into the plate. Serve it with rice and sauce would be nicer. Okay, that's it my material. Sorry if I have some mistake. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.